So if you ever want to have a template, by the way, let's save this. We can go to templates now. And here we have a ton of other templates. A lot of these might not be the most practical for you. It might be easier for you to build it from scratch, but it's really nice to at least get ideas from these. So AI agent chat, basic things like that. Also some bigger ones like generate videos to upload to TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. I talked about that before. And some of these might be very, very large. So you can view these. If you just click them, you can say use for free. It'll know that you already have it. So you can either copy that, and I'll show you how to use that in a second, or you could just say get started with n8n. So if I just say if I just copy this, we can go back over to n8n. Let's go to a new workflow. We'll go to new workflow. And then here I can hit either Command V or Control V, depending on if it's Windows or Mac. And you'll see it just moved the entire workflow, that entire template, right into here. And now I can zoom in. I can see how everything works. Anything with a little red triangle, I just have to set up my credentials for that. So that's just not quite ready yet, but you can walk through this and ultimately have it ready to go. So that's a crash course on how to get started with n8n, with the logic-based workflows, the AI-based workflows, and then ultimately the templates as well. I hope you found this very helpful. It's honestly such a powerful platform. There's so much you can do on n8n.